Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the most refreshing white rum cocktails for you. The gorgeous Rum Cooler Cocktail. The Rum Cooler Cocktail is beautifully concocted with white rum and citrus juices. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. I will make this cocktail in a tall Collin glass. So let's fill the glass with fresh ice cubes. Always use fresh ice cubes, as fresh ice cubes melt slowly and increases the life of the cocktail. I will pour a 1/4 ounce of blue curacao to create a beautiful blue hue at the bottom of the cocktail. Blue curacao is the most popular orange-flavored liqueur, and generally used to give blue color to the cocktail. 1½ ounces of white rum. You can use any white rum of your choice. 1 ounce of lime mix. 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can easily make simple syrup at home by mixing equal parts of sugar and water. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And 1 ounce of orange juice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now I will shake all the ingredients without ice, and pour into the glass. This technique is known as mix method in the mixology terminology. In this technique all ingredients are shaken without ice, and poured into a glass. I will be extremely happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now I will slowly stir to create a beautiful blue hue at the bottom of the cocktail. If you really like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. I will garnish this beautiful cocktail with a gorgeous dehydrated lemon slice. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. See you soon with another amazing recipe. Till then, keep watching.